So in this current time group, we're going to change the start date to January 1st. January 1st, 2014. January 1st, 2014. And then for span, it will be 30 days. Perfect. And we just type in 30 days. That the end date will be January 31st, 2014. Right now we are setting the current time, creates a map time that represents the month of January. On the map, notice that the number of robbery hotspots is reduced. These robberies are the ones that occur only in the month of January. The robbery points for other months are hidden until the map time is changed. So in this step group, which is right here, that we're going to clear the time use span and check uncheck this, and we will set step interval is 1 month. 1 month. Perfect. And we specify an interval of just 1 month. And we're going to click the step forward button. Step forward button. And then the map moves forward 1 month. And the robbery hotspots for February are shown. Oh, I don't think it worked. Going to do slower repeat. The 1 month, it's not working here. I have to rechange it again. 30 days. It's not December. Okay, the 1st. days. 30. Alright, and then what about next? See, it's not working. The time goes back. That's weird. Let me fix it. 30 days. Step forward. And then it's going back. 30 days, okay. And then I'm going to just do January, February first, and then I have to do 28 days. That's weird. 28 days. 27 days? Oh my god. Okay. Next. Next. It's just so weird. We have to do it manually. Start time. Right. And now let's do 30 days first. Set record. Oh, that's weird. The time is not as I wanted to specified. And it didn't add up automatically correctly. And we're going to click the pause at any time to stop the animation. We use the step back and set forward to move to the previous or next interval. And then those controls allow you to move map time month by month so that you can see the different elapse between each month. Right now I'm going to do is either if I go back, so I have 2 time intervals. Alright. How do I clear everything? Reverse. Repeat. Alright, so the tool we still have to explore a little bit more. You can click the pause at any time to stop the animation. We can use the step back and step forward button to move to the previous or next interval. This controls allow you to move map time month by month so that you can see the different elapse between each month. But right now there is something wrong here. Unique temporal slices are included in the visual cache so that the animation displays and perform better on second viewing. Animate using range slider. We're going to do that. So first we're going to enable the range of values from an attribute. In this case, we're going to use the emergent count hotspot bin attribute, which is the confidence level indicated in the legend. It ranges from -3 to +3, with 0 classified as not significant. So we're going to open the property of the Robberly STC 3D hotspots layer. Property. And then we're going to do is go to the range tab. So let's see, something wrong is here. That's why. Start date, January 1st. And is January 31st. Okay, click OK. Perfect. Have to bring property back again, go into range, and then we're going to add range. So that we add range and select hotspot analysis, fill hotspot analysis, bin count, and then from the field, from the drop down menu, we're going to click add, extend. It's from -3 to +3 to +3, just to 3, and then we're going to do calculate. No. Oh, -3 and then +3. Click add. Okay, and we're going to click OK. So the range slider function similar to the time slider, except that instead of a period of time as the variable, it uses numerical values of any attribute that you are interested in. You will isolate only the highest confidence hotspots by using the values specified in the emerging count hotspot bin attribute. So on the range tab, so now we do have a range tab, and then in the full extent group, it's right here. And we're going to enter a minimum value is 2. So the maximum is 3. So the same shows hotspots that are now filtered by time and range. Using this combination, time and range can provide information for very specific instances in time. Isolating hotspot clusters can provide a narrative as to when and where crimes happened. So the range slider works in 2D and 3D, so we can use the same techniques to easily filter which content we are viewing in 2D map view as well. So that's this bar. We can just play them. It is slow. I don't see anything rendering. We have to fix this anyway. Optionally, explore connecting the range slider to other numerical properties such as location ID. Anyway, we learn the temporal data and how to work with it, and how to visualize it in 3D, and how to create an animation in ArcGIS Pro. The strength of GIS lies in the ability to recognize patterns and the organic behavior of crime. So particularly in clusters over time, although the crime mapping is only one part of an often complex crime reduction plan, hotspot maps are useful in providing a spatial sense of the nature of high crime areas and where crimes are concentrated. However, further analysis is required to understand why certain crimes happen more often in certain areas. The evidence of crime clusters can influence key decision makers in craft effective crime reduction tactics, and can help crime analysis use GIS to convey that information. Alright, we're going to move on. So maybe we just fix the issue here first before we move on. Because this thing is not showing anything. Let's go back time. What happened to the setting? It's on Explore view. I think right now it's not rendering. Alright, the time might be some issue here. Alright, I don't want this time. I'm gonna change it. It's just a short period of time. Let me just stop playing first, and I have to change it back. Not this time. We don't have data for that one.